Hello again. Welcome to tutorial number 5. In this tutorial we'll be covering file specifications or a file mask. So let's start Extreme. Now the default file specification shown up here is star.star, which basically means show everything. But if I wanted to change that, I can hit the F key and I can specify a new file specification. Now the syntax for file specifications is the old DOS wildcard syntax. So that's star to match any characters, any set of characters, or question mark to match a single character. For this example, I'm just going to set the file specification to star.lib, and basically that just shows only the files that match that wildcard. So in this case, just these two files. And as you can see, the file specification has now been changed to the new star.lib, and also the file statistics area has changed, so it indicates that only two files match that file specification. And I can change it back to the default file specification by just hitting the F key and enter, and that goes back to star.star, and the number of matching files is basically all the files in that folder now. I can also concatenate file specifications. So I can do star.lib and star.zip and hit enter. And now this shows 3 files. So the 2 lib files plus the zip file now that also matches the file specification. So again, the number of files is now 3. And I can also invert, do a negation on the file specification by hitting Control I and F, and this will show all the files that don't match the file specification. So in this case there's 11 files that don't match the file specification, and I can change it back by hitting Control I and F to go back to the normal file specification mode. And finally, if I wanted to do more advanced file specifications, I can press the F4 key and select the grep mode. So in this case, I can use regular expression to indicate the type of files I want. And this basically allows a whole new range of file mask operations. And when I do that, the mode is shown as the grep mode over there. So that's basically file specifications.